For the bad little bitches in the city and it's all on me. Time no time when the love so blind that you're all I can see. Know the night won't be the same if you don't leave with me. Ass up, head down, every time you dress down, no I.
I'm gonna give him the whole thing. Yes. Yeah, okay, that's even better. That's madness what you got right there. A lot of snow. Yeah, you take it all. Yes, you landed in a lucky group, mate. That's
a little bit of strength.
Loop.
A little bit of strength in here.
And last three. Get them all, get them all. I'll help you. Yeah. Come on.
Right, that's it.
Right. Bye bye.
My boyfriend and I were
So guys, this is number one waterfall 2. Here we are with Morgan and the ghost, of course, from the ghost house. Morgan. Not such a bad idea to get lost in the jungle here. Actually, might even be a good idea to be free, make your own food, your fires, be responsible. Getting closer to the waterfall here. So, there it is. Waterfall. And then more on the waterfall too. What's Morgan done with his flip-flops? Oh, you don't know what he's done with them.
I'm throwing them, hiding them over there.
Throwing them over there. Hopefully they won't be missing. zone. Hey guys, today we're in Koh Samui Island. We're gonna visit the waterfalls and the Grand Fatigue. Just bought chips and water, and we're at number 1 waterfall 2. We're gonna scale the mountains. We're gonna scale these waterfalls. Let's go. Come on, Morgan. Morgan is taking too long. I decided to push him off. Right here are the first big steps. Scale this. Let's go. Just a little bit. I'm sweating.
Yeah, this used to be working. I used to play there. Yeah. And there was like the faster pool.
In Phangan, this is more accessible than Koh Samui. Here you gotta walk a bit.
Don't wanna give up now, no. I keep looking for the truth, but it's hidden high up there. But today when I met you, we're catching the truth in the icy air. Don't wanna give up now, no. I don't wanna give up now, no. I keep looking for the truth, but it's hidden high up there. But today when I met you, we're catching the truth in the icy air.
Hi, do you need a ride?